Introducing Khadas Mind, where high-speed computing meets extraordinary portability. This revolutionary module PC offers 3 customized modes to fit your lifestyle. In Mind-Only mode, relish the freedom of ultimate portability. With Mind Dock mode, multitasking becomes a breeze. And for design and gaming enthusiasts, Mind Graphics unlocks unparalleled GPU performance. Weighing in at just 1 pound and smaller than a quarter of an A4 sheet, the Mind is your pocket-sized powerhouse. The built-in 5.55 with standby battery offers up to 25 hours of sleep mode, ensuring you're ready to create whenever inspiration strikes. Elevate productivity with the Mind Dock. It's not just a power hub, it's an extension of your capabilities, boasting 8 additional I/O ports and support for up to 4 4K displays. And let's not forget the Mind Graphics, a game changer for those craving superior GPU performance, with the force of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. Available now on Kickstarter for $599, the Khadas Mind is the future of portable computing. Transform your workspace with the Dockcase Smart USB Hub 10-in-1 Explorer Edition. This all-in-one hub elevates any laptop into a full-fledged workstation, merging style with functionality. Control everything with an adjustable live function display and D-key. Get dual display support, offering high-definition multimedia interface and DisplayPort capabilities at 4K at 60 Hz. Or go solo and scale up to an 8K at 30 Hz display. Experience blazing data transfer speeds of 312 megabytes per second and a rapid 1000 megabits per second internet port. The hub also supports simultaneous reading and writing of 2 cards. Charge your devices at a robust 95 watt-hours, leaving 5 watt-hours for the hub itself. All this encapsulated in a design that screams sophistication. Get this efficiency powerhouse from Indiegogo for just $129. Elevate your charging game with Statik's light-up USB cable. Offering 100-watt fast charging and a durable, 6-foot nylon-braided cord, it's not just functional, but dazzling. LED lights serve as a stylish charge indicator, compatible with a myriad of USB-C and I devices. Ideal for night owls and gamers, it's a vibrant, practical addition to any setting. Say goodbye to mundane charging and get this luminous cable on Amazon for only $19. Meet Bitzee, the interactive digital pet that leaps off the screen and into your hands. A blend of touch, tilt, and swipe controls bring Bitzee to life, evolving from a baby to a super Bitzee as you nurture and play. With 15 distinct pets in one pod, from cats and bunnies to unicorns, there's always a new friend to unlock. When Bitzee evolves, you'll also unlock outfits and games for endless fun. It's the screen-free digital experience kids will love. Available on Amazon for $30. Introducing the Sphero Bolt Robot Ball, where creativity, coding, and fun collide. This isn't just a robot. It's an intelligent sphere designed to inspire. Unlock the wonders of STEAM learning right at home, guided by intuitive activities and a downloadable at-home learning guide. Packed with high-tech sensors like a compass, light sensor, gyroscope, and more, Bolt offers endless possibilities for learning and exploration. Its vibrant LED matrix adds a layer of interactivity that captures imagination. Create your own programs and games using the Sphero Edu app, with options for screen drawing, drag-and-drop coding blocks, or even JavaScript for the more advanced. Constructed to endure, Bolt sports a durable, scratch-resistant shell and provides over 4 hours of play on a single charge. It seamlessly connects via Bluetooth, bringing your ideas to life in real time. Inspire the next generation of creators and problem solvers today. Available on Amazon for $180. Meet the BORUIT V10 Flashlight, your pocket-sized powerhouse for all lighting scenarios. With 5 adjustable modes and a stunning 1,000 lumen output, it casts a brilliant beam up to 100 meters. Weighing less than 50 grams, it's as portable as it gets. But it doesn't stop at illumination. Its 365 nanometer UV black light can detect anything from dirt to counterfeit currency. With a magnetic base and keychain support, this flashlight is endlessly versatile. Sidelights in various colors and flashing modes add more utility. means it's IPX4 waterproof. Available on Amazon for $22. Unveil the unseen with Profey Night Vision Goggles, your ultimate tool for nighttime exploration. Equipped with a 3-inch TFT screen, you can view crisp, vivid images instantly and track targets up to 656 feet away in complete darkness, thanks to its 5x digital and 2x optical zoom. Coated in a rugged, non-slip rubber armor, comfort meets durability. Crave quality? These goggles boast 4K Ultra HD video and 36 megapixel pictures, auto-stored on a 32GB SD card. Adjust to your needs with a 7-level infrared illuminator for unparalleled optical clarity in low light. Capture, record, or playback with ease. To keep the adventure going, a 4,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery ensures you're always powered up. Available now on Amazon for $70. Experience the night like never before. Be prepared for anything with the 14-in-1 Survival Kit, your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures and emergency situations. This robust kit includes high-quality tactical gear from a tactical pen and multi-use spork to an emergency blanket and fire starter. It's your one-stop shop for tackling challenges that come your way. Lightweight and compact, it's easily portable in a waterproof box, fitting snugly in your backpack or glove compartment. Perfect for camping, hiking, and more. Grab yours on Amazon for $30 and face the unknown with confidence. Elevate your style and well-being with the Garmin Lily Smartwatch. This small, chic smartwatch not only accessorizes your look, but also offers a treasure trove of features. Tap to reveal a vibrant touchscreen that monitors your health metrics, from respiration and pulse to stress and sleep. Paired with a compatible smartphone, you'll stay effortlessly connected with notifications for calls, texts, and calendar reminders. Track your fitness journey with specialized apps for everything from yoga to cardio. And connect to your phone's GPS for precise outdoor tracking. With real-time location sharing and live track, you're never alone. Enjoy up to 5 days of battery life and customize your watch to suit your style with a range of colors, metals, and bands. Get yours on Amazon for $200 and redefine what a smartwatch can do. Unlock the gateway to effortless indoor gardening with Plantone Indoor Garden. This ingenious system defies the limitations of conventional gardening, offering a simplified, 3-step process that even novice gardeners can master. Plantone's smart watering system and adjustable LED lighting create the ideal conditions for a wide range of plants. This isn't just a garden. It's a revolution in how we grow and care for plants indoors. No more over or underwatering. No more guesswork. Just beautiful, thriving plants. Perfect for those who want to harvest their own herbs, vegetables, or simply enjoy vibrant flowers, all within the comforts of their home. All this ingenuity and convenience is available for a mere $99 on Kickstarter. Elevate your living space and well-being today with Plantone. Interested in more gadget innovations? Click subscribe and like this video to stay updated with our latest tech explorations. Your engagement drives us forward.